Okay, so this video is about why bed bugs don't disappear overnight and what to expect. I'll walk you through a realistic plan so you can sleep again. Here's the thing. If you're waking up with bites and desperate for a quick fix, you're not alone. Killing bed bugs in one day is almost never possible, and this guide shows a realistic plan so you can sleep again. To see the products we recommend to get rid of bed bugs, click the link below. You know what really makes them hard to kill? Bed bugs are small, fast, and great at hiding. Eggs stick to seams and cracks, and most sprays don't kill eggs. Adults hide in mattress seams, furniture joints, outlets, baseboards, and behind wallpaper, so one spray or one afternoon of cleaning usually only gives temporary relief. This one's important. There is good news. With a steady, thorough plan, you can end the infestation and stop the bites. It won't be instant, but a steady plan will shut down the population and stop the bites for good. Okay, so here's how to stop bites tonight and start shrinking the population. Do these things now to reduce bites and cut the number of active bugs. Okay, so the first things you want to do tonight, and I mean tonight, are these. Put a mattress encasement on your mattress and box spring. Wash all bedding and washable fabric in hot water and dry on high for at least 30 minutes. And place bed bug interceptors under each bed leg to catch climbing bugs. You also want to move the bed at least a few inches away from walls and other furniture so bugs can't bridge to the bed from other hiding spots. That simple move cuts how many bugs can reach you while you treat the rest of the room. Treat hiding places next. Vacuum seams, tufts, baseboards, and furniture joints and discard the vacuum contents right away. Use a steam cleaner on mattresses and upholstery. The heat kills bugs and eggs on contact. Apply a contact spray for what you see, then follow with a residual spray on cracks and frames to keep killing as bugs move. Here's why this works. Eggs survive many contact sprays, so you must repeat treatments as eggs hatch. Residual treatments and encasements close the gap between immediate kills and later hatchlings. Interceptors and moving the bed lower the number of bites while you work. A realistic timetable is spray twice per week for the first month to catch hatching bugs and reduce adults. After that, spray once per week for 2 to 3 more months while continuing encasements, high heat laundering, and interceptors. Keep records of when and where you treat so you don't miss repeats. For the products we trust to carry out this plan, click the link below. Keep going even after bites stop. Bed bugs are beatable, but it takes patience. This next part covers finishing them off and the signs to watch for. This is the part where most people give up. Keep going even after bites stop. Bed bugs are beatable, but it takes patience. Don't stop treatments too early. That's exactly when they come back. Make these daily and weekly habits part of your routine. Keep clean and dirty clothes separate in sealed bags and launder on high heat. Keep the mattress encasement in place until you have no signs for several months. And check interceptors weekly, replacing or cleaning as needed. Seal cracks, glue down peeling wallpaper, and reduce clutter so bugs have fewer hiding places. Reducing hiding spots makes treatments more effective and helps you find any remaining bugs faster. Do this alongside your other steps. Here's what to watch for. If you don't see any of these signs for 3 consecutive months, you're likely in the clear. Look for live bed bugs, shed skins, exoskeletons, and fecal spots, tiny dark dots. If you don't see any of those for 3 consecutive months, that's a strong sign you're clear. Also watch for blood spots on sheets or mattress. If any of those signs appear, restart the treatment routine and inspect nearby rooms and items. Bed bugs can be moved by bags, furniture, or clothing, so keep an eye on things you bring into your home. It's normal to feel frustrated. Many people tried quick fixes only to find bugs return. That doesn't mean you can't win. Focused, repeated approach that combines encasements, heat laundering, interceptors, vacuuming and steaming, and both contact and residual sprays will clear an infestation in most cases. You can beat bed bugs. To get the recommended products that make this plan possible, click the link below. Stay patient, follow the steps, and you'll win.